Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to report suspicious order in Amazon Seller Central. If you feel any buyer who is suspicious, you can report it to the customer support. For example, this buyer will order and cancel it, or while the package is reaching the buyer you will be canceling. So I feel it's a suspicious order. I'm going to report it to Amazon Seller Support. So you can check the previous order. You can see this buyer's orders, how many times he have purchased from your store. Okay. For some reason, I'm hiding this buyer name. This is the new order. I'm going to click it. So you can see these last two orders from this buyer. So I feel something suspicious. So I'm going to copy this order number and go to help. And here get support, click on this and go to selling on Amazon and browser for your issue in the menu or easy ship or self ship orders, and here report the suspicious orders. So I'm going to clicking on it. I'm going to enter the order ID and click on next. Here you can choose the reason. So incomplete shipping address, invalid phone number of the buyer has a trend of visiting orders in past. Buyers has placed the order with high quantity, something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this buyer has a trend of rejecting orders in the past and clicking on next. To report the order for investigation, please click on the submit button. So submitting. Thank you for submitting your request. We have opened a case with seller support. You can access your submission with your case log. So when I open the case we have recorded and forwarded the issue to the concerned team. We request you to provide 24 hours for our team to investigate and provide a resolution for your order. In case you don't receive any response within 24 hours, we advise you to ship the order. In case your order doesn't meet the shipping guidelines, we will cancel the order and send a confirmation mail on the same. This will be a proof. For example, if you're sending, because Amazon is telling us to ship the order, even if you are not getting any reply from them. So if you're shipping and again buyer is rejecting, so that again it is coming back. The product is coming back to you, so that you can file a case for reimbursement. So definitely you will be getting the reimbursement for sure. You might be getting a reimbursement with the full claim. So this will be the best way to report suspicious orders in Amazon Seller Central. That's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to me. Thank you. Bye and take care.